control. I can make them go in reverse. What other buttons are on it? Fast forward.
Upside down.
Upside down.
Language.
Mute. Language, right? You go to Spanish all of a sudden, right? Any other buttons on there? I'm going to add a button, okay? I invented this button. Don't look for it on your remote controls. It's not there. It's called the dinks button. Anytime I say dinks throughout the scene, any actor that's moving, if an actor's standing still, they're not going to fall down. But any actor that's moving has to fall. No matter if they're up there, they're going to fall down here, and they're not trained in the stage combat, so if it looks like it hurts, it probably does. Okay, so remote control. They're out to get Caleb, who was streaking across the street. And we got a lobster and a straw to use as weapons to bring him to the clink remote control. Dink, give him a little sugar. Let's do it. Reverse. Forward. Reverse. Forward. Reverse. Forward. Reverse. Forward. Reverse. Freeze. Slow-mo forward. Forward.
And I'm still naked. You'll never be able to catch me here.
Hey, Lefty, do you hear that? I hear him. He's still inside there.
Reverse.
Still inside there, he is. Lefty, you hear that, do you?
Forward.
You hear that?
Reverse.
Hear that, do you?
Forward.
Do you hear that?
Reverse.
That hears
Forward.
you. Do you